Hello, hello, hello! Oh. Okay, we gotta get to a normal voice level. That looks pretty good right there. Can't use voice recognition. Oh no, that's gonna be the button for voice recognition, isn't it? How about these other buttons? Alright, so that's our voice recognition button. Okay, this is supernatural, but not Sam! Not Dean! Alright. So I'm checking my mic. This is me talking normal. I shouldn't get it to the red. That's what we're trying to adjust. Here we go. Wait, once the game, adjust the sliders. You can speak normally without reaching red decibel levels, and that's good. Alright, when you see that icon, that means voice recognition is disabled. When you see this one, it is enabled, and this one, your voice is being captured for voice recognition. To use the voice recognition, hold the voice recognition button until you finish your voice command. Here are some of the voice commands. Let's practice. Me. Here we go. Can you help me? Is anyone here? Are you friendly? Oh, it's a ghost game, by the way. Where are you? Show yourself. Go away. Do something. What happened? Can you see me? What do you want? Remember that communication might not always be successful. It largely depends on your approach and state of being. Ensure you pronounce sentences clearly in English. Alright. Where's that back? Oh, okay. As a solo developer, I create projects of passion and dedication. I share the quality and clarity of the content. This is nice. Constantly learning in the process. Due to high interest in the title, I decided to translate the game into 12 languages myself, which wasn't an easy challenge. Rock on, little player. I ask for your understanding in any case of imperfections in my translation. That'd be cool to put in front of any game, wouldn't it? Good job. Woohoo! Alright. I think everything's looking good. Yeah. How do I begin? There will only be one autosave in the game. After that, everything that happens will be irreversible until you finish the experience. When you pause the gameplay won't stop! You will only be able to change settings, but the game itself will continue. I designed it this way so you cannot avoid fear in crucial moments. Death at the hands of a paranormal entity does not mean you will have to start the game from scratch. Although it does impact one of the 3 endings you can unlock. The game was created by a single developer and lasts around 2 hours. Good luck. Alright. You heard him. Good luck. Okay. This is going to be cool. I'm excited.
Man, I can't believe I'm talking to you. I've been a huge fan of your work. Especially that Sakamoto case. The way you...
I'm sleeping.
Pure genius. Your dedication is legendary.
Oh, it's the dog. I was like, I thought that was my reaction to him.
I've got this strange situation at my place. That's been keeping me up at night.
Well,
I'll let him talk, right?
I appreciate the kind words. Nice to meet you. Now, tell me, what's going on?
It's about Mrs. Sue, like I mentioned in the email. The lady helping my pregnant fiance, Kaylee, and me around the house.
Just start snoring in someone's face. She's snoring right in his face.
She's practically family, living right next to our house. We disappeared. Gone.
Dishes, dirty dishes. Oh, they're clean dishes.
Her usual hours.
Disappeared for a week? That's definitely cause for concern. Anything about her behavior before she vanished?
Yeah, that's the thing. She started acting strange, calling us by different names, humming these bizarre tunes. It really freaked out Kaylee. She went to stay with her parents for a bit. I couldn't just leave Mrs. Susan alone. I thought maybe it's dementia or something. Can you look into it, detective? Oh, and don't worry about Bashka. Hopefully, she'll still be sleeping when I get back in a few hours. But I gotta warn you, she can be one noisy little girl sometimes.
I understand.
Alright.
I love dogs, and I'll start an investigation right away. You go be with Kaylee. And about the money, don't worry. You'll find Mrs. Susan. She's
bad
been
girl
like a
from
grandmother
Hero Academia, right?
Absolutely, detective. She's been like family. We don't have much, especially after buying this
Bloodsucker.
house. but Mrs. Susan means everything to us, you know?
Hey!
Well, I'm heading straight to Kaylee's parents now. Please, give me a call as soon as you find out anything. We're really worried about her.
Yeah, me too. I'm really worried about it. It's gonna be really bad. Oh, just start here. Begin your investigation for clues. Well, I can't read that. Whoa. Open or close the door, drag it. Oh, this may actually be spooky spook. Okay, we gotta fix that. But the game's still going on? How do you like mouse sensitivity, right? Neighbor, you know anything about mouse sensitivity? You could be using a controller, mine wouldn't work. That dude is still... Okay. We just gotta get used to it. I can't say. It's gonna be like that Michael Myers game. I'm investigating. What were the other controls? What were the controls? Like sprint, cameras, crouch is control. Got it. Got this. What am I supposed to be investigating? A bathroom? I think if I'm investigating something, I should leave my house to do it. That's just my thought, though. It's a bad storm. Oh, okay, thank you. Phew! This is gonna be kind of spooky spook. Every little breeze seems to whisper Louise. I've never been in a tornado before. Okay, well, I can spin it. Move the camera to find a clue. To examine it, hold down the zoom button. How about the, like, Satan thing? Yeah, the weird symbol. That's what I meant.
Relate to the case.
Oh, maybe. How about that weird
Same
symbol?
symbol.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm glad we zoomed in on that. Found all the clues in the kids' room. Oh, that's what I meant to do. I found them, alright. What about all these little dudes? It's gotta mean something robotsky. Oh. I have a feeling something's gonna kill me in this game. Whoa, buddy. Okay, I'll go this way. Well, she's not real. Why does this actually kind of feel spooky? I totally expected not to think much about this game. We've got to find lights.
Not now.
You don't want to turn a light on
I have
now?
other things to do.
You don't want to look at, like,
Gotta get back to
computer?
it.
Ooh, why do we gotta do everything you want to do? I can't see nothing. I have to strafe. Alright, okay, zoom.
Another child victim?
It's just a
God,
picture.
Please, no.
It's just a picture, I'm just saying. We're in detective mode. Okay, I need an emote where I'm holding a, what do you call it? Magnifying glass, right? I didn't empty my lint dryer. I got cool folded towels. Is that everything? Basil? Whoa. Look. Sharksky. Whoa. Stop scaring me.
Stop being scared.
Look, I hung up a bunch of sheets around the house. keep the cold air in. It's what any person would do in my situation. I'm terrible at investigating this. Can I, like, look at this stuff? I just want to find light switches. That would be, like, the best detective thing I could do right now. If you give me one objective, I'll be very happy. Don't turn them off, you silly. The elves do. Cool. Once we figure out what light switches look like. Okay, now we're rocking. Alpha. Who's the alpha? Katsuki is. That makes sense. Cats are kind of that way, right?
I shouldn't touch his personal stuff.
Oh, we're in his house? Final notice of...
I can relate.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
I hope everything works out for them.
Me too! Once you get the final notice, that kind of changes things. So you're a painter of sorts? You're not a cleaner of sorts. Can we check these pillows? What are we supposed to be doing again? Besides... checked all that boring stuff. Where you at? I got questions for you. Oh, I thought I was gonna really find him. Are we already here? Oh, where you at, buddy? I ain't afraid of no ghost. Kinda am. It's always good to say before you see the ghost that you're not afraid of him. Because after that, you could be scared. Baby pictures? Hello?
Probably the client's fiancé.
About as scared as you'd be when you find out you're having a baby. Am I right, boys?
How long do I have to wait?
Kids are okay-ish. Alright, so far we paint pictures. You know one time when I wake up, there's gonna be something there. Oh, same thing? Okay. Ghosts that like to turn off lights on me, I'll tell you that. Not cool, ghost. Not cool. 2 hours, of this? I don't know. Look at that. Oh, I need a fuse. Fuse is gonna like open that door or something or get me out of here. Oh wait, my microphone. I forgot. That door I closed a second ago. Okay, ghosts. Where's pointy shoes? What a... So weird. That's the dog. I can't see the light switch. You're gonna notice this if you see that Halloween game I played. I can't see lights. What am I seeing? I can't see a single thing. Light switch, please. I'm just gonna have to go where it's lit up, I guess. I don't have a choice. Sucks. Bet there's cool stuff this way too. Ah! it's that door I can't open. Okay. Alright, well, I mean, there's probably cool stuff upstairs, right? Spooky, spooky. Kinda also boring. Scary and boring kinda go hand in hand sometimes. Gotta say. Can the groaning monster or something do something? Ah, okay. This room popped up out of nowhere, didn't it? Investigate the DVD player, a Blu-ray player or something? Just that boring closet? Where's the light switch? I turn the light on. I'm terrible at turning on lights, I guess. Dang it, this is terrible! Maybe there's a setting. I can't do this. Let's do lowest. I gotta see. Brightness, there it is, there it is. Whatever it was on. There we go. That'll help. Cool, cool, cool. Now we can see stuff. Maybe the light switch blew up. Ah! Nope, it did not. Phew! Alright, here we go. Brightness on, we're going downstairs. Life is really looking up for us right now. Yeah, it could be spooky over there. Save me on my electric bill. See if I care. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da. Gosh, opening doors is tough. God, I can't see. I cannot see, homie. I can't see. So boring when you can't see. Where's a light switch? Not a phone. I need the light switch. This is the worst. It's all well and good. Could somebody find the lights? This game cannot be meant to be played like this. Oh! Can I get it brighter? Did I have another option? Is that the light switch right there? It is! Phew! My God! Click that, and it just wants you to do that. What the cluck?
Hello, this is an automated message from Pulse Trader Bank.
I don't care, as long as I don't have to look at that thing no more.
For the property is currently overdue for $95,331.
That's awesome. We gotta be saving $1 million on our light bill.
Please be advised that it is imperative to settle this outstanding payment as soon as possible to avoid any
I'll be
further
doing that.
complications. Your prompt attention to this matter is greatly appreciated. If you
What
have
the
any
cluck are they
questions or
talking
concerns
about?
regarding your mortgage payment, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service department. Thank you for your cooperation.
Yeah.
He wasn't lying about their financial situation.
No. Okay. Colton's mortgage debt. I don't know who Colton is. Colton Grundy the Undying? He's dead but lifeless. Dude. You gotta cut that out. Teddy ski. Let me check. Dirty dishes. I knew it.
Almost like my place.
Dishes, dishes, dirty dishes. This is the worst. This is the worst. Now it's like my place. I've seen these bugs before. Okay, can I just zoom in on anything? This is terrible. Is there another light? Alright. Go in, hopefully find a light switch in here. You're in there, crying ghost. Looks like a light switch right there. Where's the lights? Show me the lights. Sounds real bad. Well, we got to where it's saved at least. When I went in that room. Clownski. All the fun and games are over. Still would like to find a light switch in here. Would love to, actually. I can't see Jack. Okay, it's a little spooky, I'll admit it. But I can't see nothing. Oh, the computer's making a noise, I think. Do you see the light switch anywhere? There was one at the bottom of the stairs forever. Finally.
Fucking way.
What is it?
If I have to chase down a password for another 2 hours again, I'm out.
Ah, thank goodness we found something. Oh no. You forgot your computer password for the 100th time. I've scattered your toy figures around the house and I've labeled the box with your login and password. First is the Chinkinski. Chicken, cow, rabbit. Penultimate for login is the Sharksky, and lastly the Kasky. Oh, this is not going to be good. I gotta remember that. Alright. Label the box with your login and password. First is chicken, cow, rabbit. Chicken, cow, rabbit. Penultimate for login is the Sharksky. Lastly, the Kasky. Chicken, cow, rabbit. We got this. Chicken, cow, rabbit. Oh, I'm supposed to be quiet? Well. Trying to spook me again? That was pretty good. Got me. Chicken, cow, rabbit. Nope. Oh, it's annoying. It's never gonna stop. Am I supposed to be quiet? Nah, I'm streaming it. I mean, I'm YouTubing it. supposed to be doing to them. Oh, I gotta find a writing utensil then. I don't have one. Hold on. Alright, I got my writing utensil. So, I'll write on this overdue late notice bill I have in front of me. Shark is a 6. Shark equals 6. So is he like in here if I hear that? Chicken is 8.
What is this? Oh, what is this?
I didn't mean to hit the voice thing.
What is this on?
To keep the air in here.
Can I see this fan?
I'm playing ghosts.
Can I see the fan?
What?
Can I see the fan?
Yes. Okay, sorry. Cool is not cool as 1. I don't think I need her. Equals 1. Why do I keep hitting that space bar? Can't use the voice recognition. Oh, that thing's annoying. Wasn't there one in the baby's room? Let's just go see. Ha. That is a robot who peed its pants. That's all there is on that one. It's like they didn't put the shading on his leg. Okay. Robot pees the pants. La la la. How boring. Robot that pees the pants. What were you? You were the teddy bear. Nothing. Okay. Dirty stuff. Dishes, dishes, dirty dishes. You are one. You are the clown. Where's the light switch for this room? Anyone seen it? I guess I'm not good at finding like light switches in real life either, because I have no clue where it would be. I'd have put it like, I guess on this wall. But what do I know? Or like on the other side of this door maybe? On the outside of the door maybe? I know Clown's on there. Clownski has nothing though. Five. Clownski's got 5. Alright, guess we go walk around again. I have a feeling this isn't... I'm not good at this. Just a hunch. Oh, that stupid thing won't stop making all that noise. Got you already. Boom, boom, boom. Need a cow. Aha, what are you? Rabbit ski? Has nothing? Rabbit has 2! That means I wanted that kid's room with something too. I just don't know if I need it. Alright, robot, what'd you have? 4. Robot has 4. How did I not see that? Robot rabbit. Okay. And now... Well, let's go see what that thing was now that I'm paying more attention. That was kind of spooky. I gotta say, that gave me a little bit of chills. That was cool. Alright, can we get this thing already? It won't shut up. Yeah, I forgot my password. Okay. Chinsky chicken. So it's gonna be 8. Cow rabbit. Something. 8 something 4. Penultimate for login is the shark. 6. And lastly, the cat. Oh, I didn't get anything off that cat. Okay. Oh, the password starts with fish. Oh no. Ah, chicken, then the cow. Chicken, cow, rabbit. Penultimate for login. What does that mean? Penultimate for login. Shark. Which is 6. And lastly, the cat. Okay, password starts with a fish key. So fish, teddy. I didn't even see one on the teddy. Oh my gosh. And robot. Second to last with a cool ski. Oh. Robot's a 4. Cool ski and a clown ski. I gotta go back to the clown. Clown is 5. Cool ski is a 1. Something 415. Okay, I'm looking for a cow, a cat, a fish, and Teddy. Oh, guys, this isn't gonna go well. This is just not good. And it won't shut up. Catski. Cat equals 3. Got it. Robot, gotcha. Stupid game. Stupid game. I'm angry. This game is no good. Don't turn the lights off. I found that light switch quick, didn't I? Yeah, it's pain, I know. Okay, you are 7. Teddy is... Oh! You little... 7. For real, man? You can really turn them off up? Oh. Okay. Nothing in here, right? I'll try to find that light switch one more time. It'd be the bomb if I could find it. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. Anything? Oh no, now I'm really lost. You know that cow's probably in there. I bet the developer dude's gonna watch, or he may not watch it, be like, how did you not find that stuff so quick? It's supposed to be a 2-hour game. outside this room. Please let me find the light switch just by accident. Is that it? Cat, got you right. Ah! Cow is 9. Okay. I'm missing Kulski. And who else? Fishki and Kulski, right? This is awful. Password Fishki, Tedski. Robot. Kulski. And finally, Clownski. Wait, I have Kulski? Okay, I do. Okay, I'm just missing Fish. By the power of reduction, I should be able to know that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe? Maybe Fish is 10? And then password's gonna be 10, 7, 4, 5. Dang it! I gotta find the fish. Shut down over there! Oh, am I supposed to be quiet so you don't strangle me again? Boring. Every stupid toys. I'm looking for a fish key. That's Robotsky. Yeah. Unless you got a fish, I don't want to hear it. Check in here just in case. I'm not stupid. Oh, shut it already. Okay, that is unnerving to say the least. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't no use trying to be tough on these. You are Sharksky and not Fishky, right? Sharksky. 6. She's probably like checking on me like, we'd like to scare you and stuff, but you gotta get a little bit further. Not my fault. Can't find stuff. Kinda my fault, I guess. Who was that? Kulski. That's what turns those on? Thank you. Appreciate ya. Is there one more in here? I'm looking for Sharksky. What the? That's not what I'm looking for.
A ton of women's lingerie.
That's not what we came here for, sir. Just focus. I want to turn that dang computer off. It's annoying. I'm looking for toys. Better not be in that room. It's the only other place it logically can be. I can't get in that room, though. I can't see. Yeah, we'll go check downstairs again. That one was sitting right next to me. Oh. This may be all I do. Lights. Turn them on. Turn on the lamps or something. swear there has to be. Keep it down over there. Are you eating one of those things? No. Well, this may be part 1. Dang it. I can't find the light switch. It's not fair. Ghost, will you please turn the light on for me? What if I turn on like the brightness? Alright, I'm gonna go check my settings, see if I turn the brightness on this PC. This is ridiculous! Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. Alright, well, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna I'll get back to where I'm finding the fish key and I'll restart this thing because this is awful. I can't live like this. Bye! This is part 1. I promise part 2 will be more exciting. Bye.